Hello everyone and welcome back to the Decentralized Bull channel. Today we're going to talk about Bitcoin and Ethereum and small pumps we are seeing right now in the market. Check out this beautiful sunset here behind me from my balcony, which is amazing. Check out blue waters with the Ferris wheel and such an amazing view here. It's awesome. I'm very grateful for my life. And now let's go into the charts. Wait, let me also show you this. Looks amazing, right? Beach, sunset. Amazing, just as amazing as the crypto prices today. So now let's go back into the charts. So here we can see we have Bitcoin pumping, pretty nice pump to 42,500, and it looks very good. We are above the daily EMA ribbons, which is amazing. So take that into perspective, and I already opened some nice trades. I also bought a lot of altcoins in the past weeks, like I was telling you. I bought a lot of Phantom, a lot of Lux, a lot of Solana, Radium, ETHEREUM, and all of them are pumping, as we see right here. ETHEREUM also pretty nice pump. Sand is also on the way up. X Infinity is still a lot of percentage down from the all-time high, but yeah, what can you do? Cake is pumping. You know, they just released a new pools on PancakeSwap, so make sure you change your old pools to your new pools if you still want to make some nice rewards. And here we have wait, let me do this so we don't get any messages. Okay, here we have ADA USDT looks at $2 again, looking very good. I was buying it last week for 160, and I was buying it 1 month ago for 1.5 months ago for 95 cents. So if you bought already there, you already are over 100% in profits. Check out Serum, also 6% pump. Radium, a little bit of a pullback. It was 285 today. Phantom 119, 120 today. I was buying it a couple days ago at 1.8, you know, so it looks very, very good. DFE 455 OMI struggling a little bit. Let's hope if we see another well, we will definitely see a 1 cent OMI sooner or later. I'm pretty sure about that. Stock market's also pumping a little bit. Nasdaq 1% up, S&P 500 also around 1% up, Apple 1.7% up, which is pretty nice. Oil also going up. Gold doing the same as always. Peter Schiff is probably crying all the time because he's not even beating inflation with such returns. So yeah, watch for Twitter trying to recover. We still don't know if what's gonna happen with Elon Musk and Twitter. Let's see. Also, let's go into Ethereum now. So on Ethereum we have this upwards channel here, which looks pretty nice, and we are at top of the channel. So I had a trade open and I already took some profits. Once I took profits at 152, I think 152, and now we're sitting a little bit above that. No, actually no, it went down again. It went also to 175. Could have waited a little bit and take their profits, but I would much rather secure my profits and take them always and reinvest them once the market has a little bit of a pullback. Because if you see at this upward channel, we can easily go to 3080 on Ethereum, and on Bitcoin it's probably going to be the same. So, but it looks very, very bullish here. Also above the EMA ribbons, we broke this triangle to the upside. We had a fake down to the downside here, and then a big upwards momentum because Australia just released their Bitcoin spot ETF, or is going to release it in the next days, but they announced it, and which is very nice. And now let's go into some other altcoins. Let's check out BNB. So BNB USDT on Binance. BNB is sitting at around 423, also very strong support. Like if you compare it to other altcoins which are like 50-60% down, Ethereum only went down from its all-time high around 35%. Let me check that measuring tool. So we can see it went down to 50% down here, but it's only 30% down at the moment, which is very nice for BNB holders. And also for DOT also looks pretty nice, also around 50% down from the all-time high. So if you buy it, you can still make some very nice gains. But always, what I like to do is DCA and stake, so you know how you get compound interest. So you should definitely check it out. Looking very beautiful. Cover, very nice gains. I was talking about cover when it was $3. So if you were buying with me and staking it in the cover protocol, you already made some pretty nice gains. Phantom, also very nice. And I think this was it for today. Let me show you again the view here. Bam, looking beautiful. As James Crypto Guru likes to say always, look at this, look at this. Some people are racing on the highway. Ooh. Now let's check out. Yeah, thank you for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe, click the like button. Go into the Bybit links if you want to trade some futures. You get $4,620 bonus. If you want to trade a lot of altcoins, go to Binance. If you want to buy OMI, go to Bitforex. All links are down in the description and in the pinned comment. And make sure you always take profits. Bye bye.